Did you know that missing the last step and overreaching were the two most cited issues as the cause for ladder accidents, according to a study completed by the American Ladder Institute in 2016? Today, our goal is to educate you why climbing ladders for tasks like cleaning gutters, cleaning windows, fixing siding and boards, fixing trims or cleaning chimneys or trimming trees can be risky without proper experience. Climbing a ladder requires balance and coordination, skills that not everyone possesses. Without these, it's easy to lose your footing, leading to potentially dangerous falls that could cause serious injuries. Setting up a ladder incorrectly increases the risk of accidents, especially if you're not familiar with the proper setup techniques required for safety. Your work environment, including the physical size restrictions, is probably the most important factor in determining the variation of ladder to use for a given job. The versatility of the ladder, however, is a major consideration, especially for domestic use. Please exercise our recommendations as a professional handyman. First, exercise caution when climbing down a ladder. Always face the ladder when climbing up or down and don't skip steps. Second, when working from a ladder, keep your center of gravity and body between the side rails. If you can't easily reach the project area once you have ascended the ladder, climb down the ladder and move the ladder closer to your project area. Third point I'd like to make is about the size of the ladder. One of the factors in determining the right ladder for the job is length. A good rule of thumb when selecting a ladder is to calculate a person's maximum reach height, which is approximately 4 feet higher than the height of the ladder. Fourth, clear trash, construction materials, and other obstructions away from the base and top of the ladder. The base of the ladder should be safely secured to prevent accidental movement. You can also use a ladder with non-slip feet or add outriggers or levelers to the bottom of an extension ladder to increase the footprint. Lastly, always maintain 3 points of contact, 2 hands and a foot, or 2 feet and a hand, when climbing up or down a ladder. This allows you to maintain your balance. Professional handymen are trained to manage tasks like gutter cleaning, roof repairs, and tree trimming. They ensure these jobs are done correctly, reducing the risk of damage to your home and potential injuries. Other tips for climbing a stepladder safely we recommend are: wear appropriate footwear that provides good traction. Second, avoid any sudden movements or jerking motions while on the ladder. Keep the ladder clean and free from debris that could cause slips or falls. Do not exceed the ladder's weight capacity and avoid sudden shifts in weight. And always descend the ladder facing it, maintaining a firm grip as you climb down. Don't risk your safety by attempting dangerous tasks on your own. Call a handyman today and let the professionals handle it. Your life is worth more than saving a few bucks on home maintenance.